Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a minute since the last recording and everything, but we have some exciting news. So first off, I do want to go over where I've been this weekend. I went to a small little get-together. This is only the second year that they've been doing it, called Plain Wellness, Hand Tool Heaven. And they support mental health through woodworking, which I think is an amazing thing to do. Please find them on Facebook and Instagram and everything like that. I'll try to link their stuff in the description below. But they put on a phenomenal little show and everything for us this weekend. Just going over different kind of woodworking hand tools and things like that. And doing demonstrations and everything. It was really neat. Picked up a few slabs of red oak and some walnut and everything as well while I was out there. Picked up a couple other little things that for the shop, and also did a shop clean this past week. That's why I didn't really do a whole lot of anything video wise, but I also want to thank the guys at the woodworking group. They were doing interviews of different woodworkers and stuff like that that were going around the show and everything, and I did an interview with them. Video should be coming out pretty soon. Whenever that comes out, I'll put that link in the description as well. So it was a lot of fun. But to move on from that, I do want to say that the guitar for Josh has come along greatly. There's a slight issue that I believe I fixed. I might need to refine it just slightly more, but we'll see how it goes. And I'll throw a picture up somewhere to show you what it looks like and everything right now. But the string nut has been cut, or the slots have been put in, and strings have been put on, and everything like that, but the action or the bottom of the neck is way too low right now, and I need to put a shim in to bring that up and everything to kind of get that a little bit better. So I have a shim in it right now. It might be a little bit too big, so I need to shave that down just a hair to get it to where it needs to be. But we're gonna move on from that and continue on with something else. I got a couple people that are looking for the TCG card boxes that I make as well. So we're gonna go ahead and start on a couple of those and get those done for this weekend. There's going to be an event at Titan Games in Coriopolis that I want to go to and bring a couple of those and see who likes them. So let's go ahead and go to the next video. This is just kind of an update video, kind of showing what's going on. So, like I said, I did a shop clean. As you can see, the bench here is definitely a lot cleaner than it was before, and I did reorganize a little bit. I need to kind of level out the other bench over there. So, as you can see here, we got the bench and some of the tools moved around and everything. So we'll get that all squared away a little bit later. But like I said, this is just an update video, just let you know what's going on. So we're gonna move on to a couple other projects and go from there. All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit.